Web design in 2025 is all about balance. We're merging the sleek and futuristic, like AI-powered tools, bright colors, and tech-inspired fonts, with the warmth of human touches like hand-drawn illustrations and organic shapes. Advancing technology is also opening up new possibilities, allowing us to incorporate visually stunning elements like full-page headers and video backgrounds that were once considered too bandwidth heavy. In this video, I'm going to break down the 8 biggest web design trends to watch out for in 2025. And the first one I want to talk about is AI enhancements. Artificial intelligence will continue to transform web design in 2025, making it more personalized, efficient, and accessible than ever before. AI-powered tools are making it so we can personalize our website designs to the user in ways that we haven't been able to do before. We can now make content and interfaces adapt based on your user's preferences and behaviors. This makes your website hyper-personalized, so your users really feel like your website was made just for them. And one of the most exciting developments for web designers specifically is the emergence of AI-powered website builders. These tools can help you with your website coding, your website layout, your website content creation, and it can happen directly in the editor so you don't have to go back and forth with various AI-powered tools, and it can save you a ton of time and make your website production way more efficient and streamlined. And my favorite website builder, Elementor, has also started to integrate AI functionality in its software. So of course, I recorded a tutorial all about that. So if you want to learn more about that, go ahead and check the description for a link to that video. To balance out that overly perfect look that AI often creates, you're going to also see more organic elements that create a balance to make things feel more relatable and grounded. You'll see designs that feel handmade, authentic, and personal that draw inspiration from nature and the human touch. Expect to see more hand-drawn illustrations like this, and also more natural textures and muted, earthy color tones. And interestingly, we're also seeing a merge of organic and tech-inspired elements together. Think of an ocean scene enhanced with futuristic typography, or something like this website where we see this forest scene, but we have very bold neon text with it and other tech-inspired design elements. These combinations create harmony between the natural world and new technological advances. And then if we continue scrolling down the site, we're going to see an example of the next trend I want to talk about, which is mouse effects. Web design is becoming increasingly interactive, and mouse effects are part of this trend. Mouse effects are going to range for something more subtle like this website or like this website here, to more immersive interactions where the cursor becomes part of the design, like this woman's design portfolio, where we have one of her works on the mouse right here. And when you scroll down her site, which is very, very interactive, you're going to see even more mouse hover effects, and also a lot of fun scrolling effects that add to the interactivity. These interactions can enhance the user experience by guiding them through the website, drawing their attention to key elements, and creating a playful environment that encourage users to engage with the site. Advances in web technology have made creating these effects more accessible than ever, allowing us to create these sophisticated interactions without sacrificing usability or performance. Web design in 2025 is also about embracing nostalgia. We are blending retro looks with modern innovations. Designers are using vintage fonts and two-tone color schemes. We're incorporating bold lines, abstract textures, and gradients. And these elements are striking a balance between old school charm and the sleek, intuitive user experiences expected today. Nostalgic designs go beyond visuals, and they tap into the emotion of your users, which create experiences that are both comforting and cutting edge. Next, we have anti-design. Anti-design throws conventional design rules out the window and embraces chaos, asymmetry, and unconventional layouts to create an intentionally jarring experience. It features clashing colors, mismatched fonts, overlapping elements, and unpredictable navigation. These deliberate design flaws draw attention and make your website stand out. This is really great for creative industries, art portfolios, fashion websites, anything where the goal is to provoke thought and spark conversations. And to balance that out, we're also seeing websites that go back to the basics of design fundamentals with minimalism, simple layouts, and bold accents. This trend prioritizes the use of white space to give a clean and organized look that guides visitors effortlessly throughout the site. Minimalist websites stand out for their simplicity, but that doesn't mean they have to be boring. Pops of vibrant color, bold typography, or oversized fonts provide striking accents that create memorable focal points. Next, let's talk about full page headers. Full page headers capture attention and set the tone for the entire website. Spanning the entire screen, these headers make a powerful first impression and are a great place to put your unique value proposition and your call to action. A popular layout pairs a headline, text, and a call to action button on the left with a striking image or visual on the right. This takes advantage of natural reading patterns, as users will instinctively focus on the top left corner of an image. Next, we have video as a design element, and your full page header is a great place to put some video. With improved bandwidth and the growing accessibility of video editing tools, high quality video content is now easier than ever to create and integrate into your website. It can be used in your full page headers to create striking first impressions, as backgrounds for added depth, or to showcase product demos, tutorials, or customer testimonials. And that's it. Now you know all about the emerging modern web design trends for 2025. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, or if you think I missed anything on this list, leave a comment below. If you are making your own website, don't forget to check my description for my 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website. Thank you so much for watching.